You wake up. Something is wrong. You look out the window, and where your neighborhood tree used to stand, nothing. No stump. No roots. Just a hole in the ground. And everywhere else on Earth, the same. 3 trillion trees. Gone. Overnight. The oxygen panic starts immediately, but it's wrong. Earth's oxygen won't run out for thousands of years. The atmosphere is enormous. You have time to breathe. For now. What hits first is the water. Trees are pumps. Every day, a single large tree moves 100 gallons of water from soil into the air. Remove 3 trillion of those pumps, and rainfall patterns collapse within weeks. The Amazon, which creates its own rainfall, stops doing so. The moisture just disappears. Regions that relied on trees for rain start turning brown. Then the soil moves. Tree roots hold everything in place. Without them, the first major rainstorm washes topsoil into rivers. Farmlands that feed billions begin to erode. Rivers turn brown with sediment. Fish die. By month 3, temperatures rise. Trees shade the ground and cool cities. Without them, urban heat becomes brutal. Power grids overload. CO2 spikes because trees absorb 2.6 billion tons of CO2 every single year. And now they're not. Within a year, food shortages begin. Not from oxygen. From soil, from rain, from heat. Modern agriculture depends on a stable climate that trees help maintain. But here's what most people miss: trees don't just support life. They are life. 80% of all land-based species live in or around forests. Without trees, they don't migrate. They disappear. The world without trees isn't a world of open plains and blue sky. It's a world of dust storms, dying rivers, and a slow, global silence as the species that depended on those forests stop existing, one by one. The most expensive thing we've ever taken for granted is something we planted nothing for, built nothing for, maintained nothing for. 3 trillion trees. And we barely noticed them. Until they were gone.